Is it legal for citizens to travel abroad and take up arms for Ukraine? Let me make 10 points. Point 1. With respect, comments made by senior politicians, including those who encourage citizens to travel abroad to take up arms, is not law. Point 2. Further, if past conflicts are to go by, UK government has changed their stance from seemingly giving a green light to fight abroad to criminalising those who did. Notable examples of U-turns include Syria and Libya. Point 3. International law generally prohibits the use of force, Article 2.4, with two notable exceptions. 1. UN authorisation, as per Chapter 7, and 2. Individual or collective self-defence, as per Article 51. Citizens cannot rely on UN authorisation as one does not exist, and a citizen would very unlikely be able to justify lawful self-defence unless they had direct ties with Ukraine and were present during an ongoing armed attack in a particular area and took up arms, being a necessary and a proportionate response. Point 4. A citizen may not rely on any other use of force justification, such as for humanitarian protection, which is not a settled concept in international law. Point 5. A citizen cannot rely on any defence contained in the UK terrorism laws for two reasons. Firstly, Section 1 is widely drawn to criminalise anyone taking up arms abroad other than those part of the UK armed forces. And secondly, there is no specific defence contained in Section 1 which a citizen can rely on to escape criminal liability. Point 6. Further, case law has made it clear that there is no such defence for a citizen to claim they were fighting a just war or fighting a despot. Point 7. In fact, citizens should be mindful of the little-known Foreign Enlistment Act 1870, which criminalises any citizen to enlist themselves in the armed forces of any foreign power at war with which the UK is at peace, even if it is an extremely cold and sanction-driven one. Point 8. Should prosecutors turn a blind eye to citizens taking up arms abroad for one side but prosecute others, they may well be criticised for undermining the rule of law, that is, everyone is equal before the law. Point 9. From a practical perspective, while many may admire and respect citizens who take up arms in some foreign conflict, there is a serious question about whether their efforts, however noble, would materially contribute to any military success without the necessary military training, and may well in fact place themselves and others in danger and risk of escalating violence in a war-torn region. Point 10. Without specific written legal immunity from prosecution or a change in law, any citizen who travels to take up arms abroad risks being subject to a terrorism prosecution as per official government guidance. Thank you for watching. Follow, like and share, and may the justice be with you.